So najua mmekuwa mkiuliza hizi shamba nzuri nzuri Gatundu zinapatikana wapi? Just look at this. Ona tu mahindi, angalia hiyo mchanga. Like coffee is also doing so well. I don't know what you're looking for, but this right here is a 4-acre piece of land. Hii pande ya Kiamwangi in Gatundu South constituency, selling for 8 million per acre. So if you're out there and you've always wanted a piece of Gatundu town, especially one that is looking this fantastic, Kwadi na malenge, you'll see it has macadamia, avocado. You can even do coffee farming. For those when you wanatafuta kufanya dairy farming, bado this is it, because you see this is a very big parcel. Like you can do so many things. You can build your home and still have enough space for you to do the rest, do the cultivating, kujenga zizi za ng'ombe, kuku. Jesus, kama uko hapo uko atafuta shamba, then this is it. A very beautiful parcel at it. The accessibility just 1 kilometer from the tarmac, and the barabara very well graded. I will attach a video here so you can see the road. Book your site visit nikulete mahali penye mambo mazuri iko, na hii iko na ready title deed. Ni shamba pia sisi tumefanya due diligence, haina mambo mengi, familia wameketi chini na wamekubaliana kuiuza. Tupigie simu leo kwa nambari 0702 722 498 ama utembelee kwa ofisi zetu, tuko pande ya Ruiru Town, Great Towers, ghorofa ya kwanza, ya 3 ama ya 6, na hapo you are going to get a dedicated team of experts ready to walk your investment journey, your land owning journey with you. Hata kama you are a first time buyer, a seasoned investor, tutakuguide all the way from the first site visit to the last signature here, your transfer. Bye, have a lovely day, pals.